Okay, so who wants to be a mathematician today? Awesome. Okay, so what I need you to do is get out your place value charts and your dry erase marker. Keep it capped. Keep it capped so it doesn't dry out until I say, okay? Now we only need to go up to the thousands place today. We might not even use the thousands place, but just go ahead and put it on there just in case. So before we do anything, we have to learn about the very precise place value disk. It is very, very, very hard. It is very specific. You have to take your pencil or your dry erase marker. You may uncap now. And there it is. Place value disk. It's not a dot. It's a place value disk. No, it's a dot, but that's what we're going to call it right now, is a place value disk. So what I want you to do is draw 10 disks in the ones, okay? We're going to talk about bundling. While you're drawing those 10 place value disks, think about what bundling might mean. All right, when you have all 10 place value disks written, put your thumb up so I know. Okay. Everybody hold your place value chart up. Need one more. Okay. All right, cool. So who thought about what they think bundling might mean? Like grouping? Okay. Anybody else? Like to grab a bunch of stuff? Okay. Miss Steele always thinks of wheat when she thinks of bundles. I don't know why. I just think of wheat. But it's like grouping. So when we have our place value chart, anytime that we have a group of 10, we can bundle it. So just to review, how many place value disks are in our ones place? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 dots in our ones place. So we can bundle it. Now how do you bundle it? Just draw a circle around it. And when you have something like that where you can bundle it, we have 10. So they're going to come on over here. Now, we've got 10 ones, but if we've got 10, how many tens is that? No, not 10. That's right, we have 1 10. So, instead of putting these 10 dots, we're going to bundle them, and we're just going to put 1. So we have 10 ones in the ones place, and we have 1 10 in the tens place. So, what do we do if we've got something in a place value that's bigger than 1? Let's put 10 dots. Put 10 dots in our tens place. Place value disks. I'm sorry, place value disks. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, we've got our 10 dots. What did we do over here? We bundled them. So if we've got 10 here, which we do, let's count by twos this time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what do we do when we have 10 of something in our place value chart? We bundle it. So let's bundle it, bundle, like you do for winter. You get all nice and bundled up together. So all of our 10 place value disks are bundled up together. Now when we have 10 ones, we moved them over to the tens. Now we have 10 tens. Now here's a trick. What is 10 times 10? 100. 100. So how many place value disks are we going to put in our hundreds place? 1 place value disk. So smart. Give yourself a pat on the back. So smart. So we've got our 100s. So we now have 10 tens and 1 hundreds. Now, I'm going to show you another trick. Let me go get an eraser. Whoop. Well, Miss Steele cannot find her eraser, so we're going to use our handy dandy phalanges. You can use your little piece of tissue to erase your place value chart. Oh, Miss Steele made a mistake. She erased the whole chart. You do not need to do that when you create a place value chart. You just need to erase your dots. So, we're going to learn about the times 10 train. Say 100 and 1,000. So today we're going to learn about the times 10 train. So, with our times 10s train, what we do, we've got 2 place value discs in our 10s place. They're going to hop aboard that times 10 train. Now, what is 2 times 10? 20. But is this 2? Is this 2 ones or is this 2 10s? It's 2 10s. How much is 2 10s? 20. So you can do it out on the side of your board. Multiply 20 times 10. See what you get. What did you get? Hold your boards up. 200. Okay, that's what Miss Steele got as well. So, when we we had a little bit of a technical difficulty on the iPad, so we're moving to a different filming system, so it might be a little blotchy. So, you've got the 2 10 dots, which means 2 hundredths. So when you ride that times 10s train, we go beep beep. You've got a 1, and it rides that times 10s train over to the 10s. It's going to be 110. If that 110 rides that times 10 train over to the hundreds, it's going to be 100. And if your 100 rides that times 10s train on over to the thousands, what's it going to be? 1,000. Yes. Mucho excelente. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass out a problem set for you all to work on while I walk around. On that problem set, I want you to practice with the times 10s train. I want you to practice with the bundling. Let's review what the bundling is. We got all excited about the times 10s train. Let's not forget about bundling. When you've got a group of 10, you group it and you move it. If you've got 2 groups of 10, each of them get their own dot when you move it. So this one gets a dot, and this one gets a dot. All right. I'm going to pass them out, and we'll walk around. Y'all let me know if you have any questions.